Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over real estate, more specifically digital real estate. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I made a video about this in the past, but I feel like now it's more relevant than ever with everything that's happened in 2020. The one thing I hope everybody has learned is that you need multiple sources of income. This motherfucker could shut down at any moment, without your control, you know what I'm saying? Without your say so, with nothing to do with you. It could just shut down, And I ain't saying nothing wrong is with a 9 to 5, I worked multiple jobs, you know what I'm saying? First job, McDonald's, Target. I worked for Weltman, Weinberg, and Reeves. I worked for DirecTV. I worked for Apple. You know what I'm saying? I worked for Ernst & Young. Like, I worked a lot of different jobs, but what made me want to understand this topic I'm about to tell you, which is called digital real estate, was when I lost my job at DirecTV. You see, not too long ago, about 5 years ago in my life, I lost this job I really wanted. And it was a job at DirecTV. It was in sales, and they I felt like they pulled the rug from under my feet. You know what I'm saying? Because at the time, I hadn't made any money on the internet. And, I was dependent on that job to provide for my family. You know what I'm saying? And they took that away from me. So it caused me to understand the internet and to begin making money on the internet. And throughout that time period, I learned a lot. And I just want to share this concept of digital real estate because I feel like growing up, a lot of people, we learned that physical real estate, real estate is the foundation of American wealth. If you own property, if you own commercial property, if you own a house, an apartment building, land, that's residual income. You have something physical, you know what I'm saying? You have property, you have land, you have something physical you can look at, you can touch, you can see, you know what I'm saying, that earns you money. And this has been a way Americans have made millions and, trillions, billions of dollars. So much money has been made just through real estate alone in America. But if you dig deeper, that has also been like that wealth has only been, really given to a certain group of people. Like my people, black people, we have been redlined, and it's been so much stuff with real estate, you know what I'm saying, that blocks our people, that have stopped our people. Even the Black Wall Street, the fact that we was building that and then that got burned down. It's so many little stains when it comes to my people really owning and securing a lot of the land in America. It's limits to that. And it's something new now that is no limits on. And that's called digital real estate. No matter who you are, no matter what your race, ethnicity is, you can acquire digital real estate, and it could help you. It could make you more secure. It could be an additional source of income for you and your family. So I just want to teach y'all about digital real estate. Now, it's a couple of forms of digital real estate I want to go over, and we can talk about every form in detail, but it's a couple I just want to go over. Now, the main one you probably are thinking of right now are stocks. Stocks are a form of digital real estate. You know what I'm saying? You buy into a stock on Robinhood, and you own a piece of that company. You receive dividends, monthly dividends or quarterly dividends for the amount that you hold within a company. You know what I'm saying? And as that company does good year after year, they do a profit share with you. So just by owning pieces of companies, this is a form of digital real estate, the stock market. You receive dividends, and you have a portfolio which you can value, or these are my assets in life, you know what I'm saying? Because digital real estate are assets, just as physical real estate is an asset. Like when you own a building or any type of commercial property, or you own your home, that's an asset. You know what I'm saying? It's valuable. You know, it could be sold to give you money. You can add to it to, you know, increase the value of it. So those are assets. You know what I'm saying? And in real estate, you know, when you're dealing in real estate, you're dealing in assets, and that's what you want to acquire: assets, not liabilities. Liabilities are things that take away from you. You know, a car that you are paying a car note on, you know, is a liability. But a car that you own and that you rent out through Turo is an asset, right? You know what I'm saying? A house could even be a liability, you know, but you could turn it into an asset, you know, if you improve it and sell it, or Airbnb it, for example. So just to get back on topic, stocks are one form of digital real estate. Another form of digital real estate is YouTube. Now, what is YouTube? And y'all on YouTube, but what is YouTube? Like the ins and outs, the money. You know, every video you create is an asset. You know, every video you make on YouTube is an asset, right? You build up this platform on YouTube through video, right? And these videos stay on the internet forever, for years to come, you know. And once you monetize your YouTube channel with ads, now, you know, you're in YouTube's partner program. Now you're in YouTube's ad sharing platform, and you get 40%. You know, that they give you 45%, you know, earnings and profit share. You know, out of all of the money YouTube makes in ad revenue, 45% goes to the creators, and your share is based on your CPM, really the topics of your videos. If you were giving financial advice, you know, you get paid more on YouTube than if you're being an entertainer, you know. But your profit share of that 45% is based on, you know, the amount of views you've earned for that month, because it's paid out every month, the amount of views you earned for that month, and your CPM, you know, with your basically your topics of your videos. That determines how much of the profit share you get. And the thing about YouTube, it becomes an influential platform. You know, it becomes a space where now you're like a TV network. You know what I'm saying? And companies can see you and they can give you sponsorships. You can get paid advertising if people want to, you know, show a product at the beginning of your video. And this is all based on your viewership. You can build up a platform, and you can have a very strong digital real estate asset, you know, a YouTube channel. You know, it's people out here leveraging their YouTube channels to get brand deals, to get more money. It's just a lot that you can do. You can expose people. You could, you know, literally make somebody famous if you have a platform that's built up strong enough. And that's the power of digital real estate. Now, say if you don't want to get in stocks, say if you don't want to create a YouTube channel, another form of digital real estate are music royalties, right? Now, some of y'all got to understand about the music game is that a lot of artists don't own their rights. A lot of artists don't own their music rights, right? And you can actually buy artists' music rights. You could buy music royalties and get paid every quarter, you know, based on the performance of the song, right? And this is a form of digital real estate because you're not trading your time for money. You're buying a piece of property, a piece of an asset. You know what I'm saying? You buy digital real estate, a song, a catalog from this artist. And now we have streaming. So every stream counts. Every time somebody plays a song on YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, it's recorded. And like 7 different royalties are created every time it's streamed. You know, is mechanical royalties, and then it's performance royalties. You know, and you would get paid all of the mechanicals, you know, for the songs and catalogs that you own. So many different forms of digital real estate, right? even creating um, a website. You know, creating websites are forms of digital real estate. Or you could have a blog website, you know, which you activate or which you get monetized with ads. And once your blog is monetized with ads and you receive a certain amount of clicks per month, you know, that's autopilot. That's digital real estate. You know, you continue to add value to that platform. You continue to add more content, new content that people are liking, searching for, and that you're ranking for in the search results. You know, that's forever. Like, that can last for a very long time, you know? And even if you create a Shopify store, you could create a website with products that people need. And your website become very popular through advertising and marketing and networking the proper way. Your website builds up its rank. That's a form of digital real estate, excuse me. That's a form of digital real estate, because that business will make you money when you're asleep. People will be placing orders all around the clock, you know, without any more effort than you just setting it up. You know, you just setting up the website, the ad campaign, doing the promotion, doing the networking, getting it out there. Once you get it out there, it starts to live on its own. You know, it's like a baby. Like with digital real estate, once you you know what I'm saying, get the baby to, you know, adult stage, it can walk itself. You know, once the baby start walking, it can walk by itself. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to teach it anymore. You know? So, and that's the same with digital real estate. Once you build up your platform to a point, you know, whether that's your stock portfolio, whether that's your YouTube channel, whether that's your music royalty catalog, you could buy people music, you could buy famous artists royalties right now. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's building up your website, your blog, you know, once you get it to a point, it runs on its own. It'll have a life of its own, making money all around the clock while you sleep, while you're on vacation, because you don't have to physically be there. You don't have to physically trade your time for money. And this is a recession-proof business. The internet is recession-proof. If you ever learn anything in this video, understand the internet is recession-proof. Digital real estate, the stock market, right? The stock market can crash. You know, I just thought about that. The stock market can't crash. Your business can slow down. You know what I'm saying? But don't have that thought. You know what I'm saying? That's not something to focus on. You know, I would say build your digital assets. Build a YouTube channel. Get some music royalties. You're gonna be good out here. I'm telling you. Build a website, Shopify store, promote it. You will succeed. And that's just my video for today. Digital real estate. I'm gonna make another video going over this some more. But I just want y'all to know, man, in 2020, you need more than one source of income. And you gotta understand the internet, and you gotta have digital real estate. It's your boy, YON WORLD. I'm out. Peace.